What's up, guys? So today on D&P Performance, we are moving Trey's car, Trey's shell, to the new shop. We got the tow rig over there with the U-Haul dolly. That truck's quite tall, so the back of the dolly is just fucking scraping on the ground. This car has no brakes, and we don't have a winch, so I don't really know how we're gonna pull it up on there. It's got no motor, no trans, so it's not too heavy, but we're gonna see how this works. Yeah, you're gonna have to pull forward, bud. That's a lot of trees, it's not going. Oh! That looks all right. We're gonna try to just drive it up under there, maybe? Yeah! Throw her in 4. Fucking the gravel all up, but it looks like it might work. Holy shit. Oh! Holy fuck! That shit worked! The ramps are like 2 feet under the gravel, but holy shit! No way! Fuck yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Those straps needed. There you go. Oh, the back of the GS is gonna go. No, redo it. Ooh. We're golden. Meow. You're still in 4 low. Back tires were skipping. Sounded like a Lexus. And we're on the road. GS in tow. Hell yeah. Everything seems to be going fine, but one of those straps on the trailer keeps getting loose. Oh, that's Rhonda. Hey. Is it loose again? Yeah. Oh no. I'm gonna take this thing right through downtown, where all the pedestrians are. It's a great idea. Only one loose strap. Oh, there's a baby in a stroller and a loose car. Look at all these people walking. They have no idea how much danger they're in right now.
All right, next day. As you can see, we got the car in here. It was super easy. Me and Coleman both thought it would be a lot harder than it was, but it was nothing. Very excited. Finally had my own little workspace. Already got the car on jack stands. Don't have to roll around in gravel anymore. Before I've been doing a little bit of work to it. I got the hub and spindle and whatever off. I was taking the lower control arms off, so my boy Hen Dog, shout out Henry, so he can extend them for me. Let's see, I've already done a few things to this car just while it's been in the backyard, like dyed my carpet. It was the nasty tan. My dash is flocked. I don't have it in yet because there's some other things I need to do under there. I ran a battery cable. There's some heat tape. under there, so I have to put some in the trans tunnel also, but I need to hammer that out first for the fat CD land back there. I'm excited to finally have some like motivation to work on this, so that's probably where this video is going to end. Make sure you be on the lookout for some more, because there's going to be a lot of uploads on this, because there's a lot of work, a lot of parts, a lot of things that I need to do to it. So hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Sosa baby.